Don't be nothing, now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
Hi y'all, so I am on my first flight headed to Dallas, and then from Dallas we're going to Nashville. So there was a problem that I'm going to get into later on. I'm actually on another flight, a later flight than the first flight that I was supposed to be on. So really trying to get to Nashville as soon as possible because I was supposed to be decorating preparing like a surprise type of thing for Mimi for her birthday, and I have literally all the stuff in my check bag. So yeah, get into the unit that I'm wearing. Corinne. No. This is Sylvie by Mama. Just have it in a ponytail. I have these earrings on and my glasses because I don't like to sleep. Or Mary Charlemagne with black privilege. So it's just been a crazy morning. Like I missed my flight, my first flight by 2 minutes, and I'm kind of upset because I was literally asking for help for 15 minutes from the kiosk attendants and nobody would help me. So I kind of thought that was weird. My bag, my wallet, I have a separate wallet in my wallet with my cat card, and one of my debit cards was stolen, and I budget my money on different cards for different stuff, like my leisure card, the one that, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do, and I did the myself. It won't work myself. It must spark it myself. The back side of the other side. So, praying for safe travels. I made it up and in about 30 minutes, I'll be boarding my plane to go to Nashville. The shades on because Felicia has left the building. Okay, you guys, I made it to Nashville.
I love it. I love the beat.
This is my new friend here. Turn around. Say hey to YouTube. Okay, she my friend though, but she just don't like to be on camera. I have fries here.
You know she be tripping.
And
okay, just let me know if y'all need anything. Oh,
thank you.
Right here? Yeah, you see this street right here? Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Let's go. But if y'all want to unload everything, do that before y'all party.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Girl, this is my new best friend right here. So we are going to decorate. I've been here for a minute. Sorry, it's just so weird for me to vlog. Have to go to the mall. Well, they said they had a mall anyway, so that'll work out good. Well, we can just do that stuff and then go.
Unlock the door.
This is the beautiful Ashley. So we're about to go decorate and surprise Ashley with her surprise too that she doesn't know about, you guys.
Can we tell her not to do any surprises?
No, you don't know me, girl. Oh, that look cute though. It's not a dramatic surprise. Oh, those curls are nice because one curl fell.
Yeah, one curl fell.
So about to go decorate and then I will try to film.
All right, y'all.
We are in the hotel room with the birthday girl Ashley, man, and teams. Where your birthday sash? Y'all. These birthday sashes for Walmart. I'm waiting on Mimi so I can Snapchat because I can't put nothing on Snap because she'll know. But just watch this, y'all. It lights. All right, press it again. And then it's is that's gospel music.
Oh.
And then it. Ooh, and then one more, and it. Hey!
I forgot I had my thing on shuffle.
Mine do the same thing. I'll be like, you really gonna play the ratchetest song that you can? So, yeah. Hey. All right, so as soon as they get in here, I will commit. You can't vlog it. It's your birthday too.
You do. I'm gonna hold this cake up.
Okay, and
I'm so gangster.
your cake, your cookie cake, your cookie cake, cake.
You got it.
I wrote that on there. I'm lying. Okay.
You put your hair in it or not?
Yep. I got it. And Ashley, your favorite. I'm so sorry I didn't get you one. Did she have one?
Yes, you can have a cupcake.
Is it vanilla at least?
It is.
Please eat the cupcake. You can have a
Vanilla.
I can have a slice.
It's a little junky over here, but I need a light. So everybody,
Yeah, they actually got
So
it.
we got hey!
it's the birthday girl. So I'm not about to vlog right now because I'm about to have fun with my friends, and that's the hard part about vlogging. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye. All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is late night time. Excuse me. And I y'all wanna go downstairs? Okay, I'll go with y'all. Okay. Yeah. I'll come back up.
No, we thought you were down here.
Yeah, that's what we were going on.
Yeah. So if you so if you're here,
You know you're still here. Okay. So, everybody, introduce yourself to the vlog. Ooh, fine girl. Fine girl.
I'm Robbie.
Introduce yourself.
Julie.
Lady in white.
DJ.
Yes.
Look at this.
Nah, I ain't editing nothing. Okay, do it again. Do it again. I gotta put it in slow motion. I'm the birthday girl. Woo!
Underscore. There we go. This is the DJ.
Yes.
I Snapchat first. I didn't mean, but I'm not posting. I'm just saving the video and sending myself.
So,
Please don't let me.
we are waiting for one more person, and I was actually ready on time today. Boom. Put this in the history books. And we gotta call the shuttle. So follow
The glow was on.
her channel. Simply
Mimi underscores 2 eyes on everything.
SIIMPLY.
I'm gonna save everything.
I. Crooked letter, I. Hump that, I. I'll put it in a thing if I can figure out how to do that. What up, y'all? Sorry. Oh, it feels good out here. We had an amazing night. Oh, we did not vlog at all in the lounge because I didn't want to take my camera. Look, that's on my screen. And
That stuff you want to put on here?
nope.
Okay.
And mess it up. So So now, reporting live. Miss Ashley, let me know how the beginning of your birthday experience has been.
My birthday experience is pretty top notch so far.
Where your sash at?
It's in my bag.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Miss Rachel, how has your Nashville experience been?
It has been amazing. You guys.
Amazing. Okay, obviously y'all got. Okay guys, so we're at O'Neill's. It is a soul food restaurant.
There's sweet tea, fruit tea, and water and whipped cream. In the middle of that conversation. There's no desserts and both hands on the table. Starting off with biscuits, cornbread, and bread, and whole salads.
Yes.
You have your cell phones. Please put them on silent. Texting, step away from the table. The food goes past to the left. That's so cool. You all face yourself. Take all the pictures you want.
Thank you. So they bring the food and you pass the left, which is cool. Give me 15 biscuits, please. Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes like corn and how is it put together though? Y'all know what corn pudding is. Oh, that was hard.
It's gonna fall apart. Just in case.
All right, y'all. I can't. I tried. You're gonna have to see my plate at the end. Trying to debate. You know what? Don't be greedy. This is what my plate look like. Chicken, pot roast, fish, green beans. If my trainer watched this, I'm sorry.
Right, I'm not even gonna tell my trainer. She called me
Biscuits,
it's too late. It's too late.
mashed potatoes, mac and cheese over there. When I tell y'all that biscuit tastes like heaven, I ain't been to heaven, but I know that's what it tastes like. That's what all the food up there tastes like. I ain't going to heaven yet, but when I get there, I know the biscuit's gonna taste like that every day. I don't have sense at all. So we just got done eating.
Enjoy our new little family here.
I'm trying to go to the bathroom for about 20 minutes now.
I've been trying to.
I just told you don't look at
Nobody get hooked.
We weren't saying that. Alright, you guys. We are leaving Monell's.
I'm coming back to
Finally.
just for this restaurant, like
Best restaurant in
Nashville.
America that I've ever been to, probably. For real.
I was about to say pretty much. Yeah,
Like-
I mean, I haven't really found one of the top.
I've had great food, but that is amazing. I wish I could take it back to Texas.
Right. Thank you for providing.
And now we're on the way. Might be dark. Okay, guys, I made it to my hotel that I'm staying at before my flight in the morning. Well, no, yeah, just before my flight, so I can get a little rest. It's kind of dark. Apologize. Put some light on. It is a Homewood Suite. Very just like simple, nice I'm about to hop in the shower because I just do not feel well. And look what time it is. Jeez Louise. So this shower's about to be popping. Good morning, checking out. It is 4 a.m. 4-ish. It's like 4:10 now. Supposed to leave at 3. I don't know what's going on with my brain lately. Kind of exhausted, so yep, gonna see if they have a complimentary shuttle service. Airport. Good morning. I am at the airport. I made it to security. I made it to my gate, which is D. And I'm on time this time, so I am happy. Feeling extremely nauseous, so I'll talk to y'all later about that.